Today we will discuss about the topic functions. The JEE Mains point of view, the functions is the very most important. So in this area is divided to two groups. One is domain and range. Now second one is functional equations. So these are the two things of domain and range. Here f maps A tends to B is a function, then where A is called domain, where B is called codomain, so f of A is called range. So these are the three things. And so if you want domain and range, so if we want domain and range, so compulsory we the formulas. So if you want domain and range, this formulas is learning as. If you want domain and range, this formulas is very most important. The formulas is the first one. So here root function. So root function is defined as greater than or equal to 0. So this is the most important area. Now second one, by root function. So by root function defined as the function greater than 0. So third one, log function. So log function defined as f of x is greater than 0. So here by log function. By log function defined as the function is greater than 0 and the function is not equal to 1 function. So by function, denominator, f of x denominator is not equal to 0. Then inverse function, f of x is equal to y, then x is equal to f inverse of y. So the domain of the function f of x is equal to log of 2x minus 3 by 5 plus 4x plus sine inverse of 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x is alpha comma beta, alpha beta. Then alpha square plus 4 beta is, so here log function. So 2x minus 3 by 5 plus 4x, log function is greater than 0. Now here cross multiplication, 2x minus 3 is greater than 0. So x is greater than 3 by 2. That means x belongs to 3 by 2 to infinity. Say 1. So second case, 5 plus 4x is not equal to 0, also greater than 0. Now x is greater than minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4. Here x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5 by 4. Sine inverse function. So sine inverse domain minus 1 less than equal to 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x less than equal to 1. Now here, case 1, 4 plus 3x less than or equal to 2 minus x. So here x plus 3x less than equal to 2 minus 4. So 4x less than equal to minus 2, x less than equal to minus 1 by 2. So here x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. So equation 2, minus 2 plus x less than equal to 4 plus 3x. Now minus 2 minus 4 less than equal to 2x. So here 2x is greater than or equal to minus 6. So x greater than or equal to minus 3. So x belongs to minus 3 to infinity. Minus 3 to infinity. Now finally numerical line here 3 by 2 to infinity. So here 3 by 2, this one 3 by 2 to infinity. So this area first equation. Now minus infinity to minus 5 by 4. Here minus 5 by 4. Here minus 5 by 4. So minus infinity to minus 5. Now third one minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 means here this is the minus 1 by 2. So this area. So next one minus 3 to infinity. So this is the minus 3 to infinity to this area. Finally we intersect the area. So this is the area, shading the area. Now here minus 3, here minus 5 by 4. So this is the alpha comma beta. So what is the value of this one? Alpha square plus 4 beta. Alpha square minus 3 square 9 plus 4 into beta minus 5 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. 9 minus 4, 5. The 4 is the answer. So find the domain of here 2025 bit. Find the domain of the function. So log of 18x minus x square minus 77 base 5. So is alpha beta. And the domain of the function, another function, log of 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by x square minus 3x minus 4 base x minus 1 is gamma delta. So then alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is. So first one, this is the log function. Log function is greater or equal to 0. 18x minus x square minus 77 greater than 0. Now minus is common. X square minus 18x plus 77 less than 0. So we know that the factors. So 11 7s are. So x minus 11, x minus 7 greater less than 0. X belongs to 7, 11. Say equation 1. 7 and 11 in the equation 1. Now this is the first one. Now second one, this is the logarithm function. Logarithm function also 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by, so x square minus 3x minus 4 greater than 0. So we know that the factors. So numerator 2x minus 1 into x minus 2, x plus 2. So these are the factors. Check this one, 2x into 2x, 2x square. So plus 4x minus x, so plus 3x, here minus 2. By, so x square minus 3x minus 4k, x minus 4 into x plus 1. Check this one, x into x square. So minus 4x plus x, so that one greater than 0. So here, this is the wavy curve method. So we know that wavy curve method. Here, x is equal to minus 2. This is the minus 2. So this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So this is minus 1. So this is 4. So here positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So plus, plus, plus. Here minus, minus. Greater than is positive. So this is the shading, this area. So here minus infinity to minus 2 union. So minus 1 to 1 by 2 union 4 to infinity. So this is the case 2. And x minus 1 greater than 0, x greater than 1. So x belongs to 1 to infinity. Say 2. These two areas, now x belongs to 4 to infinity. So this is gamma delta. So here gamma is equal to 4. Here this is alpha beta. Alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 11. And finally alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So 7 square 49. So 11 square 121. So gamma 4 square 60. So the total 186. The answer is 186. Let the domain of the function f of x is equal to log base 4, log base 3, log base 7 of 8 minus log x square plus 4x plus 5 base 2, and g of x is equal to, here g of x is equal to sine inverse of 7x plus 10 by x minus 2. So here alpha beta, here gamma delta respectively. Then alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is, here this is the log function, that means log, so log of 8 minus log of x square plus 4x plus 5 base 2 is greater than 0. Log function defined as greater than or equal to 0. Now basic logarithm formula, this base, so log base 7, 8 minus log x square plus 4x plus 5 base 2 is greater than 3 power 0, that means 1. Now here logarithm, apply the logarithm basic formula. 8 minus log of x square minus 4x plus 5 base 2 is greater than 7 power 1. Now here 7 transpose to this one, 8 minus 7, so greater than log of x square minus 4x, x square plus 4x plus 5 base 2. Now here log of x square plus 4x plus 5 base 2 less than 1. 1 means log 2 base 2. So compare with logarithm's value. So x square plus 4x plus 5 less than 2. Now x square plus 4x plus 3 less than 0. Now x plus 1 into x plus 3 is the factor. So x belongs to minus 3 comma minus 1. Say equation 1. Now here second one, sine inverse function. So we know that minus 1 less than or equal to 7x plus 10 by x minus 2 less than or equal to 1. So there are two cases. One case is, so here minus x plus 2 less than or equal to 7x plus 10. So here minus 8x less than or equal to 8. So x less than or equal to minus 1. So here x less than or equal to minus 1. Equation 1. Now second one, so 7x plus 10 less than or equal to x minus 2. So now 6x less than or equal to minus 12, x less than or equal to minus 2, minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 1, x belongs to minus 2 comma minus 1. So this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, this is delta. So answer is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. That means minus 3 square 9 plus 1 square 1. So 2 square 4, 1 square 1. So 10, that is 15 is the correct answer. It is defined as f of x is equal to cos inverse of root over x square minus x plus 1 by root over sine inverse of 2x minus 1 by 2. Is alpha comma beta. then alpha plus beta is, here numerator is cos inverse of, so root over x square minus x plus 1, so is defined as, so cos inverse, so the domain is, the range domain is 1 to minus 1. So here squaring on both sides, 0 less than or equal to x square minus x plus 1 less than or equal to 1. So there are two cases, x square minus x plus 1 less than or equal to 1. So 0 less than or equal to x square minus x plus 1. So these are the two cases. Now x square minus x less than or equal to 0. Now x is common, so less than or equal to 0. X belongs to 0, 1. So equation 1. Now here, so x square minus x plus 1 that is equal to 0. So delta is equal to, so 1 minus 4, so that is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is less than 0. So complex roots. Complex roots. So complex roots, we know that for all x belongs to R. So this is the second case. Now case 2, here by root function. So the function is sin inverse of 2x minus 1 by 2 is greater than 0. So sin inverse range, so minus 1 is positive kabatti 0 less than, so 2x minus 1 by 2 less than 1. So both sides multiply with 2, 0 less than 2x minus 1 less than 2. So adding to 1 less than 2x less than 3. So by dividing 2, so 1 by 2 less than x less than 3 by 2. Now x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2, say equation 3. So from 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, numerical line. So here numerical line, so first one 0 to 1, this is 0, so this is 1, 0 to 1 is the first case. So for all x belongs to our second one, so both numerical line. Here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 means this is 3 by 2. Now here, this is the second one, third one. So these two areas by, so intersect the two areas in this part. So in this part is, so finally domain is equal to, so here 1 by 2 comma 1. So this is equal to alpha comma beta. So where alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1. Finally alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. The answer is 3 by 2.